A recent survey said that when it comes to selling houses, 43% of people said their biggest reservation and stressor when listing their house is having people come in and out or having to do open houses. Another 27% of people said one of their biggest stressors is not necessarily being able to pick their settlement date. Well, we have solutions for both of those. We have a guaranteed sale program where we'll come in and buy your house and we will let you pick the settlement date and make it completely convenient and easy for you. So right now, with the market being the way that it is, you probably have a lot more equity in your property than you think is possible. This is becoming a national trend also. Thousands of homes have been bought in the last few quarters all over the country from larger companies for people that are in your situation that just want to get out of the house, don't want the stress, want the peace of mind of picking their settlement date, and don't want people to come in and out. Well, guess what? Locally, we do this to help you as a seller and help you as a customer and a client, because our clients said that they wanted this option. So if you want peace of mind of a guaranteed sale and you don't want the hassle of people coming in and out and you want to pick your settlement date, then ask about our guaranteed sale program. If any of this interests you at all, you can give me a call here on the post on my number or send me a direct message, and I'd be happy to explain to you how our guaranteed sale program works.